Hello, hi you guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha. If you're new here, hi. I do fitness, fashion, and beauty for women over 50. I'm so excited about today's video because I have seen this for years all over YouTube, the internet, Instagram, and I figured, hey, I want to get in on this because I think I can offer some valuable information to women over 50. So if you guys want to see what I think the 10 most important things that you can do to look 10 years younger, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, 10 things that I think can make you look 10 years younger. So I have written all these down so I won't forget. I want to get straight into it. This is so fun for me because if you guys have followed me for a long time, you already know my opinion about aging. So this might be a little bit different than other videos, but let's get right on into it. Number one, learn to accept and love aging. Now, I don't want to go too much on about this, but you guys, aging is a privilege. Not everybody gets to live. People get sick. People get cancer. People die. People around the world don't get this opportunity that we get. If you're alive right now and you're in your 50s, heck yes, you should be so happy. Really, sometimes it's just like sitting down and really understanding how lucky and grateful you should be just to be alive on this earth, to be around for your kids and your family. So please remember that. It's number one because it's so important. And every night when I go to bed and I start feeling bad about anything in my life, I remember how lucky and how fortunate I am to be alive. And honestly, it just kind of washes away the whole age thing. Like, who cares what your age is? You're living on this earth. You get to make your dreams come true. So that would be number one, numero uno. Number two is learn to love yourself and accept your body as is, because this body that you have, it helps you walk, it helps you live, it helps you move, it helps you hug your husband, your wife, your kids, your friends, yourself. It moves, and you really need to love and appreciate it. And when you do that, I promise you, it's just gonna make you feel a little bit better about your life. Number three, where are you? Okay, workout. So that's pretty simple. I think everybody knows that you need to work out, not just to keep you healthy, but it is going to make you feel better about yourself. Even if it's just 20 minutes a day, even if it's just walking. Now, of course, you can do yoga and dance or anything that you love that makes you move, but anytime your body is going to build muscle, it's gonna make you feel a little bit better about yourself. And then you're gonna have, again, just a little bit more spark in your life. You know what I mean? Because these things actually help you feel better, look better, and then up here, it all goes up here, and then you exude that out to everybody else. So working out is a no-brainer, you guys. I have over 100 videos here that I do high intensity interval training, so they might be a little bit hard for you if you're a beginner exerciser, but I'll tell you what, there's so many great YouTubers that you can start working out, so please, please do that. When your body, it doesn't matter the shape or the size, when you start feeling better and your workouts get harder and harder and you find progress as you move forward, you're gonna feel amazing about yourself. You're gonna feel happy, and it's gonna make you feel younger, and you are gonna look younger. Because when you feel younger, you look younger. Number four goes with this. This is eating well. You guys, I have many videos on what I personally eat. So I am vegetarian light. That means I eat mostly 100% vegetarian, but I do eat fish and seafood, and I do not eat dairy. Occasionally I'll have a little bit of dairy. I'm not too hardcore about my meals, but I eat healthy. So the key is to eat foods that are not processed. You guys know when you're eating foods that aren't good for you. It's like, people are like, why am I like not where I am on my weight? It's because you guys know you're not eating foods that are good for you. But more important than your weight, because I don't care what your weight is. I want to know that you feel beautiful and sexy and you feel youthful. You came to this video because you want to feel younger, right? So if you want to feel younger, eat right. So watch a couple of my videos here. I'll link them here, but you don't have to follow what I eat. There are so many people out here on YouTube land who you can follow who will teach you how to do a really easy, simple diet. But basically, you know, your majority of your food on your plate should be fruits and vegetables, not starches and meats. But you guys know that, right? I think we all know that. I think we just need to sit down and remember. But when you eat better, you guys, you're gonna feel so much better. You're gonna look so much better, and that's gonna make you feel younger. Okay, Number 5 is just don't consider your age. Considering your age is just aging yourself. So if you're constantly going on 52, on 55, on 57, you're aging yourself. Why even mention your age? Your age is not even important. Actually, you guys, this is important for me to say. I've had a lot of my followers say, just take the over 50 off. You don't even need it. The only reason I have the over 50 on there is because that's what draws attention to this video. Aging doesn't matter. Your age doesn't matter. It's how you feel on the inside. So when you guys put a label on yourself, well, I'm in my 50s or I'm in my 60s, so I can't do it, then you're aging yourself. So stop mentioning your age. Stop saying I'm 50s, I'm in my 40s, oh my God, I'm gonna turn 45. Stop that immediately and just think of yourself as a regular human being and live your best life. Forget about the age, and I promise you, you will feel so much better. Let that ageist crap go. Let it go. And on that note, number 6, I love this one. Be curious, you guys. Keep learning. I am the most curious about people. When I meet people, I want to learn everything about them. I'm like, tell me all about yourself. I think a lot of times when people get older, they don't want to learn anymore, or they're stuck in their ways and they don't want to be curious. Being curious is the best way to feel young and feel alive, right? Learn about different cultures, learn about different languages. If you meet somebody and they're from another culture and you don't know, ask them about it. Be curious, be genuinely interested in what's going on in the world. Read books, take a class, learn. Like I just started taking I've danced forever, but I've never done modern. I just started taking a modern dance class and I'm 52. I'm like, I gotta learn. So I'm like studying Cunningham method and the Horton method, a little bit of Graham, you know. I'm like, why not? Learning is gonna always make you feel young and also really good for your mind and your brain. So open your eyes and get curious. Yes, love that one. Okay, 7, do not follow the trends of what people say women over 40, over 50, over 60 are supposed to look like or dress like. Just be you. Who cares? Do not care what other people say you are supposed to be like. I have had so many people say, are you sure you're supposed to wear a mini skirt over 50? Can I wear that red lip over 50? Can I wear all that highlighter? I've actually had people DM me multiple times on my Instagram account asking me, is that okay? Don't you think you shouldn't wear ripped jeans? What? Why would you let somebody else tell you what makes you happy or what makes you feel beautiful or what makes you feel sexy? Why? Do not follow those judgments over 50. It's like the white over Labor Day. Like, who cares? Like, no, is anybody actually following that rule? And if you were following these rules, you need to ask yourself why. When did you give other people power to make decisions about your life as a grown-ass woman? That's all I'm saying. So yeah, I don't. I mean, actually, I don't even consider it. So when people say, oh, you're not supposed to wear that, I'm like shocked. I'm like, what do you, I don't even know. Are you talking to me? What? I've never followed rules. Many of my old videos, you guys, this is kind of like a repeat, but I've never followed rules, and I don't think you guys should either. If you want to do what you want to do, I don't care what it is, go for it, and never listen to what other people's judgments are about you. If it makes you happy, if it makes you feel beautiful, and it makes you feel sexy, you do it, and I promise you, you will feel and look way more youthful because you just don't care. Ugh, those rules though. I mean, I feel fortunate because I don't even care about it. But if you care about them, please consider why you care. By the way, don't buy into this youth-obsessed mentality because we are just absolutely gorgeous in our 50s and 60s. But like, my mom is in her 80s. She is so beautiful. I know she watches this. This is why I always tell her it's true. And I had this really great role model. I don't think she ever cared about her age. She just always looked amazing. And does she have wrinkles and lines? Yes, absolutely. I don't think wrinkles and lines have anything to do with about that spirit inside and that energy and that feeling about how you fit in this world. So yeah, there's that. Number 8, stop judging yourself. If you judge and compare yourself to other people, you are going to be unhappy. If you judge yourself next to a 30-year-old, well, why would you, first of all? But if you judge yourself next to a 30-year-old, yeah, you're going to feel terrible about your age. But if you judged yourself against anybody, against me, and if I judge myself against you, it's just never a good idea. Do not compare yourself to other people. Do not compare yourself to other women because it is only going to equal to unhappiness, and you will never feel better about yourself. You're probably just gonna feel older about yourself. So as soon as you feel yourself comparing or about to judge you or someone else, stop yourself in your tracks and go, why am I comparing right now? What in my life, was it something my mother said to me? Is it something I picked up when I was growing up that I'm supposed to judge other women, or I'm supposed to compare myself? We are all completely unique and individuals, and there's nobody else like us. So that is what you have to remember. And this is something that you need to, this does not just happen overnight. You need to constantly remind yourself every day that you are beautiful as is, and you do not need to compare yourself. Okay, so that is a big one. And number 9, I think this is really fun. It's just like, watch what the young people are doing. I mean, I'm lucky I have a teenager, but even if I didn't have a teenager, I would still be watching what the young people are doing. Not because I'm trying to copy what young people are doing, it's because it's exciting. I like to see what all groups of people are doing. So on YouTube, I don't watch just women over 50 who do makeup, I watch women over 20. Yeah, it doesn't matter to me. I never put an age limit, like I can only watch fashion or interior design for like over 50 women. No, not at all. So get your finger on the pulse, see what young people are doing. They're doing some really, really cool things. That doesn't make you look like you're trying to act young. It just makes you figure out what's going on in the world today. And that's exciting. And that's also leads back to my other, I think it was number 7 of like being curious. And number 10 is how I'm going to end this video. If you guys are like, what is she talking about? How the 10th thing to look 10 years younger. Smile, laugh, and have fun. That's 3, but it's kind of, you guys, I have so much fun. I laugh all the time. I find joy in the smallest things. Laugh, smile, have fun, be spontaneous. I think people get so stuck in their old ways, like, I'm not gonna go to that party, I don't really want to go, that's like, I'm just so used to my life as is. No, go for it, have fun. There's a whole world out there. We're gonna live till we're 90. I have so many more years that I need to enjoy my life. And another thing is that leads back to number 1 about the privilege it is to age. I know how lucky I am to be alive, and I don't have any sicknesses, and I don't have cancer, and I am like alive and healthy right now, and I understand that is a privilege. So I'm gonna take that privilege and I'm gonna go out and do everything that I love. And I'm gonna make sure I have fun every day, and I make sure I love the people that I love and hug the people that are in my life, and make sure to laugh at the stupidest, smallest things in the world. And let me tell you that is gonna make you feel young. That is gonna make you look young and feel vibrant. All of these things are gonna make you feel good on the inside, which is going to come out in your energy and make you look younger. I cannot tell you, every single day somebody will say you don't look your age, and I'm like, what does 50 look like? Because I do look 52. When I compare myself to all my girlfriends when we go out, we're all the same age. Our faces, the wrinkles, the lines, we all look exactly the same. There's no difference. I think the only thing that you guys are picking up from me is my energy. My energy might seem a little bit different, and it's based on these 10 things that I just mentioned here to make you look and feel younger. Please, you guys, honestly, I think age has nothing to do with anything. Yes, of course we're gonna get a little bit, our eyes are gonna go, and our body is gonna get a little bit more pains in it than it used to, but overall, there's no difference. My mind is the same as it was when I was 18 years old. I was thinking the other day, when I was in high school for a public speaking class, so that was in 1986, I did a hair tutorial in my public speaking class. I actually took an empty toilet paper roll, stuck it on the top of the girl that I was working with, and put all her head in, made this like totally cool like B-52s like hairstyle. Nothing has changed. That 18-year-old girl from high school, 17-year-old girl, I'm the same at 52. Nothing has changed. So remember, you're still that same spirit that you always were. Nothing changes. That dream that you had inside when you were 4, 5, or 6 has not changed. So the numbers, the numbers, they've gone up. We're now 50, 60, right? But the spirit is the same. The spirit is what will keep you young. The spirit is what will make you appear to look younger, although I don't care. I think you should just love yourself as is. Was this a rant? If this was a rant, I'm sorry, but 10 things to make you look 10 years younger. Just love who you are, you guys. That's all I have to say. You're worth it. You're beautiful. I don't care what anybody else thinks. The only thing that matters is how you feel about yourself. The only thing that matters is how you feel about yourself, and no one else can change that. No one's gonna make you feel better about yourself. Only you are. So please, please start believing in yourself. Start doing wonderful, beautiful things for yourself. And I promise you, if you want to look youthful, that'll be it. That's it for me, you guys. I hope you really, really love this video. I have hundreds of YouTube videos here on fitness, fashion, and beauty, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment below on what you thought about this video. Let me know what you think about all these how to look younger videos, because I think they're ridiculous. Like, it really, comment below what you guys think. Or okay, better yet, what do you guys think it matters that people want to know how to look 10 years younger? Do you have some great tips of what you think women could do to look 10 years younger? Do you think that ageism is a thing in this country? Do you think that we are youth obsessed and it doesn't matter? And another thing, women over 50 are taking over. So actually, maybe we should do how to look 10 years older, because older, more mature, more confident, you know what I mean? It's empowering to go through menopause. That's a whole nother subject. Hope you guys love this video. I'm gonna shut up because I could go on for days. Love you so much. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you next time. I will. Bye. Hi, my name's Samantha, and I'm here with Sephora today to do my nighttime skincare routine for skin over 40 and over 50. I want to get all this off right away, so let's get right into it. Okay, my first step is going to be using the Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Oil Cleanser. Vitamin C is extremely important for brightening your skin, especially if you have brown spots or any melasma. Hi everybody, my name is Samantha, and today I'm here with Sephora, and we're doing this glowy foundation look, so stick around if you want to see how I got the glow over 50. Along with me, wherever I go. Good for hot flashes and also drying off your makeup. There you go. Oh, I love it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something and you like this look. Go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will see you next time. Bye.